Good day, everyone. We are Panel 8. I am Nicole de Guzman, and today we will be presenting RA 11038, or also known as the Expanded National Integrated Protected Area System Act of 2018. So first, let us define what is RA 11038. So RA 11038 is a law that protects national parks, forests, marine areas, and of course, wildlife in the Philippines by officially declaring them as protected areas. So they impose rules and policies to prevent environmental destruction of the area. So RA 11038 expanded and strengthened the Old NIPAS Act of 1992, which was RA 7586. As the old law had weak enforcement, it allowed illegal logging, mining, hunting, and human settlement. Some areas had unclear boundaries and weak penalties, so this law actually fixed the weaknesses of the old law by expanding the protected areas, improving legal protection by increasing penalties, and of course, improve funding system and recognizing the indigenous people's rights. So next, we have the legal basis of RA 11038. So it was enacted on June 22, 2018 and signed by former President Rodrigo R. Duterte. So its implementing agencies are, of course, the DNR as the head implementing agency, together with the PAMB, LGUs, and law enforcement agencies. So the objectives of RA 11038, we have conserving biodiversity, protect wildlife and ecosystems, prevent environmental degradation, promote sustainable development, and recognizing indigenous people's rights. So the law actually also has environmental concerns it seeks to address. So it addresses deforestation, wildlife extinction, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change effects. So as for the scope and coverage of the law, so the law actually covers all areas in the Philippines, such as national parks, sanctuaries, reserves, landmarks, protected landscapes and seascapes, and all goat forests considered as protected areas. It also covers the established 94 protected areas, in which we will present later. So the law actually applies nationwide in all marine and land protected areas. So it applies to anyone using and managing the protected areas, such as government agencies, law enforcement, local communities, and indigenous people, visitors, and private entities in protected areas. So basically, everyone has a role in following the law. So now we will be presenting some of the protected areas in the Philippines. So now we have Calvario Patapat Natural Park, located in Ilocos Norte. We have Libonao Protected Landscape, also located in Ilocos Norte. Besang Pass Natural Monument or Park, located in Ilocos Sur. We have Lidlida Banayoyo Protected Landscape, also located in Ilocos Sur. Salcedo Protected Landscape in Ilocos Sur. Ago da Morites Protected Landscape and Seascape in La Union. Manleluwag Spring Protected Landscape in Pangasinan. We have Palawi Island Protected Landscape and Seascape in Cagayan. Peña Blanca Protected Landscape and Seascape, also located in Cagayan. Tamawini Watershed Natural Park, located in Isabela Province. Salinas Natural Monument in Nueva Vizcaya. We have Bataan Natural Park, located in Bataan. And Roosevelt Protected Landscape, also located in Bataan. Masinloc and Oyon Bay Protected Landscape and Seascape in Zambales. Las Piñas Parañaque Wetland Park, located in Las Piñas City and Parañaque City. We have Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center, located in Quezon City. We have Mount Palay-Palay Mataas na Gulod Protected Landscape, located in Batangas and Cavite. We have Taal Volcano, located in Batangas and Cavite. Buena Vista Protected Landscape in Quezon. We have Maulawid Spring Protected Landscape in Quezon. Quezon Protected Landscape located in Quezon. Hinulugang Taktak Protected Landscape located in Rizal. Upper Marikina River Basin Protected Landscape located also in Rizal. We have Apo Reef Natural Park located in Occidental Mindoro. We have Mount Iglit Baco Natural Park located in Occidental and Oriental Mindoro. We have Mount Guting Guting Natural Park located in Romblon. We have Mount Mayon Natural Park located in Albay. We have Ticao Boreas Pass protected seascapes located in Albay, Masbate, and Sorsogon. We have Lagunoy Natural Biotic Area in Camarines Sur. We have Mount Isarog Natural Park, also located in Camarines Sur. We have Bosanglay Natural Park, located in Masbate. Northwest Panay Peninsula Natural Park, located in Aklan and Antique. Chocolate Hills Natural Monument, of course, located in Bohol. Panglao Island Protected Seascapes, also located in Bohol. We have Apo Island Protected Landscape and Seascape, located in Negros Oriental. Cuatro Islas Protected Landscape and Seascapes, located in Leyte. Lake Danao Natural Park, located in Leyte. Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park, also located in Leyte. Biri La Rosa Protected Landscape and Seascape in Northern Samar. We have Calbayog Panas Hayiban Protected Landscape in Samar. We also have Pasonanca Natural Park in Zamboanga City. And Jose Rizal Memorial Protected Landscape in Zamboanga del Norte. We have Mount Timpoong Hibok-Hibok Natural Monument in Camiguin. We have Mabini Protected Landscape and Seascape in Compostela Valley. And Mainit Hot Spring Protected Landscape in Compostela Valley. Mati Protected Landscape in Davao Oriental. Puhada Bay Protected Landscape in Seascapes, also located in Davao Oriental. Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Agusan del Sur. Siargao Island Protected Landscape and Seascape in Surigao del Norte. Tinoyan Falls Protected Landscape in Surigao del Sur. So that was some of the protected areas. And now let us move on to the key provisions of RA 11038. So section 3, we have definition of terms. So now we have biodiversity, meaning variety of life. Bioprospecting, meaning searching for biological resources. Buffer zones, areas surrounding protected areas. Byproducts or derivatives, meaning secondary products from resources. Collecting, taking of plants or animals. Conveyance, transfer of ownership or rights. Delineation, drawing boundaries. We have demarcation, marking boundaries on the ground. And ecosystem goods and services, meaning benefits from nature. We have endemic species, meaning found only in specific areas. We have exotic species, non-native species. Exploration, meaning studying or surveying areas. We have gear, meaning equipment used for resources or resource use. We have genetically modified organism or GMO, meaning organism altered genetically. We have hunting, meaning killing of animals for use. Indigenous cultural community or indigenous people, ICC or IP, meaning native communities. We have integrated protected area fund, IPAF or Fund for Protected Areas. We have invasive alien species meaning harmful non-native species. We have kaingin, slash and burn farming. Multiple use zone, meaning area allowing sustainable use. We have Natural Integrated Protected Area System or NIPAS, meaning Network of Protected Areas. We have Natural Park, Protected Natural Area. We have natural biotic area, meaning region within living organisms. We have natural monument, meaning special natural feature. We have natural park, uh, again, protected area with recreation. So next we have occupying, meaning you living or using land. Poaching, illegal hunting. Protected area, land or water that is legally protected. We have protected area occupants, meaning people living within protected areas. We have protected area retained income account, meaning income from protected area use. We have protected landscapes or seascapes, meaning areas with natural and cultural value. We have protected species, which are species legally protected. We have quarrying, meaning extracting stones or minerals. Resource reserve, meaning area for conserving resources. We have special account in the general fund, meaning dedicated government fund. We have strict nature reserve, area for strict conservation. We have tenure migrants, meaning people with land or use rights. Threatened species, meaning species at risk of extinction. We have wetlands, meaning marshes, swamps, or water saturated areas. We have wildlife, meaning non domestic animals. And lastly, wildlife sanctuary, meaning protected area for animals. So this next slide will be presented by our next panel. So he will proceed with the presentation.
So now let's proceed to the third slide of the key provisions. So expansion of protected areas. So it basically explains here that they would expand the list of protected areas to include more important lands and waters, and that they would officially recognize the 94 original protected areas, which was from the NIPAS Act, and has now have reached up to 248 protected areas. And now for the adding of new protected areas, it explains here that they would allow the addition of new protected areas as long as it has a unique physical features, cultural or anthropological importance, high biodiversity, or have historical values. But it should also go through the same approval process as existing protected areas. And now for the buffer zones, it's an area that surround a protected area that acts as a safety belt, providing the main protection area with extra protection. So basically an area that surrounds the protected area, or like a gate around the house. And now for the management plan of Section 7, the management plan must be created within 1 year of protected area establishment. So for example, this specific area is rich in biodiversity. So I will, after I declared it as an protected area, the management plan should be created within 1 year of the establishment. And it should align with indigenous people's plans and local government plans to ensure cooperation and avoid conflicts. So it's not just the government or the DNR that creates the management plan for the protected area, but also the indigenous people or the local people who lives in that protected area. And now for the management and administration, it basically explains that the DNR is responsible for the management of the protected area, while the PAMB or Protected Area Management Board is responsible for the making of policies and monitoring activities around the protected area. And also we have the PASU or the Protected Area Superintendent, which monitors the day-to-day management for the protected area. And now let's proceed to the environmental impact assessment. So protected areas are environmentally critical. Projects with major impacts needs an environmental compliance certificate. So basically, environmental compliance certificate refers to the approval of the DNR. So how do we get this environmental compliance certificate? First is, for example, we have a project that we want to build around the protected area. First we're going to do is we will do an assessment called environmental impact assessment. It refers to the process of studying what environment